Running a business should be pretty simple. You just need to show good value, set the right price, generate revenue. You need to generate enough revenue so that you can sleep soundly at night. There are many ways to model your business, but the key is making enough revenue to create a runway for experimentation. In a corporate, multi-product portfolio, success isn't about just one product making money. It's about having a balanced mix of products, each with its own costs, risks, and revenue potential. Together, they form a robust financial strategy. Not every product needs to be a hit, but the portfolio as a whole must succeed. Managing this delicate balance requires product leaders with an entrepreneurial mindset. In a corporate hierarchy, this can be a tough act to pull off, but the benefits are immense. In fact, 90% of executives surveyed by Deloitte acknowledge the critical importance of cultivating an entrepreneurial culture. Entrepreneurship is about spotting opportunities and seizing them, thinking creatively and outside the box, taking calculated risks to turn ideas into reality. This mindset is invaluable for employees and leaders across all industries and sectors, bringing untold business benefits. Only 33% of employees feel their company encourages and supports entrepreneurial initiatives. So, if you're a leader, you can provide opportunities for professional development, create a safe space and encourage experimentation, reward innovation even when it fails. If you have been asked to take an entrepreneurial approach, you will need to step out of your comfort zone and seek support to do so. Embrace new challenges and align yourself with new and exciting projects. You will need to master the art of pivoting. Ready to take the next step? Join the Entrepreneurship Accelerator with AWA CEO Simon Powers. We'll help you cultivate the mindset and culture needed to unleash entrepreneurship in corporate life.